This morning, the ACLU filed a federal lawsuit against the Department of Justice and against the FBI, challenging the designation of a musical fan base as a criminal gang. It is a quintessential civil liberties case, challenging government abuse and supporting the right of people to express themselves without fear of police persecution. The case was filed on behalf of the Juggalos. The Juggalos are the musical fans of the Detroit duo Insane Clown Posse. And Juggalos bond not only over ICP's music, but also around a philosophy of life that says that everybody, no matter what their racial, ethnic, or social background, is welcome to be part of the Juggalo family. The Juggalos see themselves as a family in the same way as the Deadheads who follow the Grateful Dead see themselves as a family, in the same way as the Parrot Heads or fans of Jimmy Buffett see themselves as a family. However, unlike the Deadheads or the Parrot Heads, the Juggalos have been designated in a 2011 report by the FBI as a, quote, loosely affiliated hybrid gang. Obviously, the ACLU believes that this violates serious constitutional rights to free speech and due process. And as you will hear today, the designation has serious consequences for Juggalos across the country. Before I introduce the speakers for today, I just want to make one observation. Because of the face paint and because of some of the ways that Juggalos express themselves, I'm concerned that the media may try to make light of this case. Well, this case raises very, very serious constitutional issues. For decades, the ACLU has stood up for unpopular groups who have been targeted unfairly as criminals based on the illegal acts of a few. We stood up for religious groups, we've stood up for racial minorities, we've stood up for unpopular political groups. Well, the way the Juggalos are being targeted is similarly unconstitutional, and we believe that people, whether you like their music, whether you understand them, should be able to express themselves without fear of police harassment.